gonna be really big for Christmas. So we're gonna get some presents from Santa Claus. What else can I say? Mommy, what are these kind of plants, Mommy?
This one hả?
Yeah.
Cây bí. Đây là cây khổ qua.
This is called...
Khổ qua.
What
Cái này là cây bí.
What's this again?
Cây bí.
This is cây bí.
Okay, let's go.
These are my chapter 2. These are my other pretty flowers. Now I can go in here.
Yep.
Yes, my first day I can go. Oh, you put them there so the rabbit can use his nose to get it in. Oh,
Salad.
that's salad. This is salad, and this is Mommy.
Here, Maya.
And this is
You want to see me?
what's this, Mommy?
Cái này là watermelon là dưa hấu á con.
And this is watermelon called dưa hấu in tiếng Việt.
And then tomato.
And these are the tomatoes. And I never went in here. They look like a jungle. What are these, Mommy?
Ah, no.
Sorry.